but they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of me.
7-8 Chevy boy, we out here, man. And it's down to crunch time, man. Today is Friday, August the 6th, man. We got 2 days before Velboy show, August the 8th, which is Sunday. So what I gotta do, man, I gotta make it real quick, bro. I gotta get both of these cars cleaned up, but this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm finna pull both of them out now because I want to have them ready for the car show, right? So I gotta clean both motors. I'm finna go ahead and clean both motors now. In the morning, I already talked to E-Clad. He told me to drive my Chevy to work since it's the dirtiest. Got caught in the drizzling rain the other day. It's the dirtiest. I'm gonna go ahead and wash both motors today. Drive the Chevy to work tomorrow. E-Clad's gonna clean it up in the morning. When I get off work about 12 o'clock, I'm gonna come home, wash this truck. So both motors, both cars will be clean. And so tomorrow night, which is Saturday, Penny got an appointment for a video shoot. Already the deposit already been paid. So we got a video shoot tomorrow night with Penny. So man, we gotta get this show on the road, man. I'm gonna clean both of these motors up because I know I'm probably gonna pop my hoods at the car show. And we need those motors clean, man. They ain't gotta be the best, like I said. I ain't trying to outdo nobody or nothing, but I want my stuff presentable, man. I want my stuff presentable. You see, I put my stuff up here. Then I put Trackmania. We made Trackmania. We didn't make Wheels by Waves show on June 19th because of the rain. For August 8th coming up, man. No rain in the forecast. We're going to St. Louis. Remember, I put a question mark right there. Stay tuned, baby. Stay tuned. And prepare for takeoff. We're gonna fire Penny first. We'll fire Penny, then we're gonna fire her big rowdy sister over here. Okay, y'all hear that? Y'all hear it, baby? Y'all hear it? And I think I'm gonna just, I'm gonna get back here and try to clean this bed off, man. I want my bed clean for that show, so I'm just gonna put a lot of Dawn soap back here, get the broom. Whoa, left that bang up, baby. Left that bang up. Left that bang up. Prepare for takeoff with Cayenne, man. There we go, baby. There we go. Get busy. Uh-oh. Try it again. Y'all know she been sitting for a while. Let's try it again. Get a crank on this time. Good, the bad, and the ugly, man. I'm gonna show it to you. So I'm gonna set the camera up. I'm gonna set the camera up for y'all, man, and bag these girls out, man. All right. Yeah, man. You see, I got both of them girls bagged out now, man. Big Cayenne. You know what it is, man. Y'all know this is a budget bill, baby. We're gonna clean it up a little bit, though. It's a budget bill, man. Not trying to outdo nobody. Y'all know that's how I roll, man. But I've been having fun in it. My budget bill working. You feel me? My budget bill working. Uh-huh. Now we over here. Big Penny. I'm gonna spray Big Penny out, man. I'm gonna go get some garbage bags and put over here just so this won't get wet. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try not to hit that anyway, man. I'm just really getting some of the dust out, man. I ain't trying to perfect it or nothing like that. Yeah, I'm gonna spray this intake and all this out, man. Got my little concoction. You know, my stuff I get from the chemical place. Got that right there in the sprayer, man. So I'm just gonna spray it down good. And we're gonna get to work, man. Check it out. 78 Chevy boy. Alright. 78, we back, man. Just a quick little spray out, man. Like I said, I ain't trying to have it spick and span. But y'all remember this stuff right here? I did give me 2 bottles of this here. You know, that's what I put on it, man. Once it dry, I'm gonna let them run here about 20, 30 minutes till I see where it's drying. And I'm gonna hit it with the blower too, man, because I don't feel like driving both of them. I'm gonna hit it with the blower and knock some of that water out, man, and shoot. Once it's dry, I see it's dry enough. I got a can for each car, man. Hit it with this right here. Man, it's gonna look like brand new, man. It's gonna look like brand new. I had to go ahead and talk to y'all before I crank Cayenne up. You know, Cayenne make too much noise. That's the ratchet one. That's Cardi B and Meg, as Boss Lady called it. Crank her up. Let them run for a while, y'all. We'll be back. 78 Chevy boy. Keep it locked, man. Alright. We back, man. We back. Got them things all greased up, boy. Got them greased up. Looking good. Looking good. Y'all see it? It don't take much, man. It don't take much. That's enough for me. Just dress it up, man. Just dress it up, man. Yep. Y'all see it? 78 Chevy boy. Getting ready, baby. We finna put on for the city, man. We finna put on for the city. Keep it locked, man. Alright.
The next day.
Next morning, man. 78 Chevy boy. Y'all already knew when I crunk it up. It had a little squeak to it. Penny did. Man, after I watched it yesterday, boy, it's really squeaking, man. Like when I accelerate. So, like all while you accelerate. It don't do it while it's sitting there idling. So, when I get out of work, we're gonna try to figure that out, man. I'm gonna run and get a belt. I might get the belt on the way through right now. No, I ain't really got time. I might stop on the way through. And if not, I'll get it when I get off. If not the belt, it gotta be one of them pulleys, man. We're gonna replace both of them pulleys, but finna head to work, man, so E-Class can watch this thing while we up here, man. 78 Chevy boy, prepare for takeoff, man. Alright. See, it didn't even squeak at all then. I don't know, man. I hear it squeaking a little bit. Yep, I hear it. I don't know if it's the pulley or the belt, man, but we gonna try to figure it out before tomorrow, before we go to St. Louis, man. Keep it locked, man. Alright. Hey, Chevy boy, we out here, man. Boy, E-Class finna get it going, man. Finna get it going out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the ladder out, man. Need the ladder. Gotta get up on top of them 28s, man. Y'all see it, man. Y'all already know who it is, man. Y'all already know who it is, man. He finna take care of me, man. E-Class. Hit him up, man. Facebook, Instagram. That's his number right there, man. Make sure you tell him you saw it on 78 Chevy Boy page, man. On my channel. Yeah, man. Big Penny. Big Penny. Uh-huh. All right, man. 78 Chevy Boy. You done with that junk, boy. Uh-huh. Y'all see it? Woo. Ready for St. Louis, boy. Ready for tonight first. Ready for tonight for the video shoot. Then ready to load up, baby. Hit St. Louis tomorrow, baby. You already know what it is. 78 Chevy Boy, E-Class, man. Uh-huh. Oh, you got me right now. Don't play with it now. You got me right. I know you got me right. Mm-hmm. Go put on for the city, man. Go put on for the city, man. Yes, sir. Gotcha. Did you pull it up, E? 78 Chevy Boy. We out here, man. Memphis Mike. We got K-Ward. We got E-Class still out here, man. I was so frustrated a few minutes ago, man, when E-Class got through washing my car. Man, I got in there to crank it up. That junk just turned over. Yeah. So, man, I got frustrated, man. Called Mike. Mike, the first one I called. First thing E-Class said, man, it might be the fuse. So I like, okay. I don't know where the fuse is, where Scotty put the fuse and all that. I called Mike. Mike said, I'm on my way, man. I'm on my way. That's what friends are for, man. He said, I'm on my way. He came out here, his little pea head, man, found the fuse box. The first fuse he picked out, man, because I'm calling part stores. I'm finna go get a water. I'm in a fuel pump. He grabbed the first fuse, took it out. He said, man, it ain't blue, but this joint don't look right. E-Class had some fuses in his truck. Man, part one right in, man, fired right up, y'all. Look at God. The devil tried to intervene, man, but look at God and Memphis Mike. He said, I don't want nothing but a Long Island IT.
Man, that's all I want, little Long Island.
Man,
I really don't want nothing, but
yeah.
that Long Island.
But you will take a Long Island IT.
Take a Long Island.
Hey, I'm dead. You getting two on, goddamn. You getting two on, man. E-Class got me on beam, man. Then got a video shoot tonight. I called him, man. Told him I might have to bring the truck. He's like, man, the truck really don't fit the video.
You got the Chevy in that thing.
Man, but
yeah. I'm gonna go
yeah,
hold
man.
on real quick. When that relay click, I said, yeah, that's it. We in there.
Yes, sir, man. I'm finna go buy a box of fuses.
Yeah,
Just keep them in the yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Keep them in the box.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that was a free. But I don't think it had nothing to do with me watching. I know I watched this motor and stuff last night.
It just got hot. They do it.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? It wasn't blue. It just was melted and like the prongs wasn't connected good or something. So
Right.
I threw it over there in the trees.
Fired right up, man. Look at that, boy. Man. Man, right up. Y'all see it, man. Keep God first and some good people around you, man. I'm trying to tell you, dog. I appreciate my guy, man. Real.
I ain't gonna get that man make work.
Yeah.
I was literally getting ready to lay him on the truck and you know,
For real?
I had over him.
Man, I appreciate that, dog. I'll be at the house a little later.
Stop by the house, grab Jackson in, and I'm ready to drop the tank.
Yeah. He even told me. He like, man.
I'm gonna put that bitch in the
Yeah. Yeah.
If you y'all boy close 35 minutes, I go there first.
Right. Man, I appreciate y'all, man. I'll be at the house later. You want to swing by and get it tonight, bro?
It ain't no help.
Yeah. Come on through, man. Y'all take it easy, bro. All right, now.
What time y'all leave that morning?
About 7. 7.
I probably ride out with y'all.
Cause Terry coming to get them. Just Terry Price gonna pull them.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna shoot on. I'll be there when he get there. Oh man, yeah. $15.
$25.
Yeah. All right, dog.
My seven, I'm